Good morning students, welcome to class 5th mathematics. Today we will do the conversion of decimal fraction number into decimal number. Here in this concept we have fractions numbers are given and we have to convert that fraction number into decimal. Let us suppose I have a fraction number is 4 upon 5. So how I can convert this fraction into decimal? So well students, you better know that is 4, it is 4 upon 5 means 4 divided by 5. So how we can divide 4 by 5? Let us divide it. 5 is the divisor, so you will write okay here, and 4 is the dividend. Now recite the table of 5. In the table of 5, 4 is come or not? It will not come. But in so you will divide it by 0, 5, 0 are the 0. It is less than 4 is less than 5. Okay. Subtract it. Now after that you will put the decimal here, and because it is the turn of decimal now, so you put the decimal in the quotient. Okay. After that you will continue add 0 in the dividend. If you okay, you will add 0 in the dividend. Now down it. Now it is 40. So recite the table of 5. 5, 8 are the 40. So your remainder is 0. So when we divide 4 upon 5, 4 by 5, the quotient, the number that you converted into decimal is 0.8. 0.8. Now let us take another example. Let's suppose I have another number is there, that is I will take 56 upon 8, 58 upon 8, right? So this is the fraction number. I have to convert this fraction number into decimal number. So what's the meaning of 58 upon 8? That means 58 divided by 8. Now divide 58 by 8. In the divisor we have one digit is there, so you will take one digit from the dividend, right? So inside the table of 8, in the table of 8, 5 is come or not? No. 8 0 are the 0. Subtract it, you will get 5. After that it is a turn of 8, down it. Now it's 58. Now again recite the table of 8. 8 7 are the 56. Subtract it, you will get 2. Now after that we have remainder is left 2. So what we have to do, and what's the key concept of the division of decimal number? That is, no remainder should be left. It is the key concept of the division of the decimal number, that remainder should not be left. If remainder is left, that means here we don't have any decimal is here. So put the decimal first here in the dividend and take the, after this is the turn of decimal now, and insert this decimal in the quotient. Okay. Now after that you can continue add 0 in the dividend after decimal, okay, and down it. 8 2 are the 16. Now subtract it, you will get remainder is 4. Now again remainder is 4. So you will continue add 0. Okay, you will continue add 0 in the dividend and down it now. So 8 5 are the 40. Right. So your decimal number, when you converted this fraction into decimal, the decimal number will be 7.25. That is your answer. So well students, in this way we can convert the fraction number into decimal number. Now let us suppose I have a mixed number is there. Okay, instead of fraction number I have a mixed number is there. So how I can convert the mixed number into decimal number? Let us take an example. 3 whole 1 upon 4. This is a mixed number and I have to convert this mixed number into fraction number. So what's the improper fraction for mixed number? This 3 4 are the 12 plus 1 13. 13 upon 4. Now it is the question same as we have done earlier. Now it's a fraction number. So what's the meaning of this one? 13 divided by 4. Okay. Now divide this 13 by 4. 13 is dividend, 4 is the divisor. Divide it by 4. So how I can divide it now? Because here we have one digit is there, one digit in the divisor. You will take one digit from the dividend. So 1 is less than 4. So 4 0 at the 0 1. Take the next digit. Now beside the table of 4 again, 4 3 are the 12. 4 3 are the 12. Subtract it. You will get remainder is 1. Remainder is 1. No remainder should be left. So here firstly you will put the decimal here. Okay, take this decimal into quotient. Okay, this is the turn of decimal. So in the turn of decimal you will put the decimal in the quotient. Now add 0 and down it. Beside the table of 4 again. 4 2 are the 8. Subtract it, you will get 2. Now remainder is again 2. So you will take another 0. Okay, another 0 and down it. Now again beside the table of 4. 4 5 are the 20. So your remainder is 0. So that means when you when you have a mixed number is there and after division of the after converting the mixed number into fraction and after that we divide it and we get the answer 3.25. Thank you and have a nice day. Now let us take another example. Let us take another example, that is I will take 6 whole 3 upon 5. This is the mixed number again. What will you do? Every mixed number firstly you will convert into fraction, improper fraction. Now what is the improper fraction about this mixed number? 6 5 are the 30 plus 3, 33 upon 5, 33 divided by 5. Now divide it. 33 put in the dividend, it is the dividend. 5 is the divisor. Now divide it. You have divisor, one digit is there, so you will take one digit from the dividend. 5 0 is 0, 3 down next digit. 5 6 beside the table of 5, 5 6 are the 30. Now after that we have remainder is there, that means no remainder should be left. So take decimal here, and now it is the turn of decimal, so put the decimal in the quotient. Now add 0 in the dividend, now down it. 5 6 are the 30. So your answer when mixed number is there, okay, and you divided it, you converted it into decimal, the answer is 6.6. So in this way, students, you can find the mixed conversion of mixed number into decimal number. Based upon this concept, now you will have to solve the rest of worksheet of the unit 7, that is worksheet number 11. And thank you, have a nice day.